Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with the Windows security. When you launch the Windows security, you got the error page not available. Your IT administrator has limited access to some areas of this app. Let's fix it guys. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to download this security health setup. Click on the download option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to select show in folders. Now you just need to open this security health setup. Click on file explorer and unzip it. Now you just need to right click on the security health setup and select open. If this doesn't resolve your issue, then you just need to restart your PC, and after restarting your PC you just need to run this program again guys. Just double click on it and run again guys. After doing this, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. If this solution failed to work, then let's move on to the next solution guys. You just need to close it off here, go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this commands used in my video. You just need to copy it one by one and paste in here. After pasting all these commands one by one, you just need to go ahead and restart a PC. After restarting a PC, you can open Windows security without having any problem guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.